okay. I can't believe I did that in my sleep.
I'm back, guys.
All these times,
I just want to watch Little Kelly, Little Carly, so
Little Carly, and now his time has come.
leave to join, subscribe, and
It will be sweet. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ring the girls, but I think we're gonna come up
enjoy
with
this.
competition, fake competition that I'm gonna raven up to do. Get a load of fake actors to act in it, and it's going to be called Air of the Year. So he thinks he's going to be going for Air of the Year, and then we're all going to be there. Myself, Kelly, and Carly are going to disguise ourselves as the judges, and paid actors as the crowd, and humiliate them. Oh my gosh, this is going to be crazy. Okay. Where's my phone? I'm going to call the girls. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, I'm going to sit down here, call the girls. Hello, Carly?
Hey Leo, what's up?
Hey, how are you? Come here. So, okay, right. I have this crazy dream. I have this crazy idea about how to get Raven back. Basically, we're gonna set him up in a fake competition called Air of the Year 2017, and he's gonna think that he's getting judged by everyone, and there's a whole crowd there. But I have an idea to set everything up, and us three are gonna disguise ourselves, me, you, and Kelly, as the judges, and we're gonna stitch him up so bad and get him and get our revenge. What do you think?
That's a brilliant idea. Me and Kelly are in. I can picture Raven's face when he falls through.
Okay, let's do it. Okay, so we're gonna jump in my car, go to the city, have to go to some sort of conference center to book a big stage or something like that. Then I have to go to audition or a studio or something like that to see if I can hire a lot of fake actors. And then I also have to go to a printing shop because I have to get these posters done up to hang around the magical kingdom to try and trick Little Ray. What am I talking about? To try and trick Raven to become Hair of the Year or Hair of the Year.
No, guys, you can end the episode here. Till the next time, I'm gonna see you in a video.
Let's get out of here.
Peace.